Hello, good evening, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to do the unboxing for my fresh fiction not to miss box. This box came earlier on in the month, which was May, and I was a little bit busy, so I didn't get to do the unboxing. And then I got a lot of other books, as you can see from my check out my May haul video, and you'll see. But these are the ones that comes in my fresh fiction box not to miss. And yeah, so let me show you them. This month I got, okay, Jewel of the Night Jewel of the Nile by Tessa Afshar. I hope that's her name. Malapapa, raised as an orphan by her aunt, she really has only been told a few pieces of her parents' tragic love story. Her beautiful dark skin is proof that her father was Cushite, but she knows nothing else. While visiting her grandfather before his retirement as the Roman official in the Queen's Court, she overhears that her father is still alive, and discovering his identity becomes her obsession. Okay. But this is an advanced reader copy, so it might be available on Net Gallery. You can check it out there. Alright. Another advanced reader copy. The Essence of Nathan Biddle by J. William Lewis. The Essence of Nathan Biddle is a timeless coming-of-age tale that, as novelist David Armstrong observed, is like discovering the Catcher in the Rye all over again. That's the blurb. The tragedy haunting his family follows Kit like a dark and foreboding cloud. He is already compulsive, struggling with ecstasy. This word is not coming out. Existential. There you go. Existential questions about the meaning of his life. When he's brilliant, when he's brilliant, phantasmic. What is going on? Anna dismisses him. Kid quickly spirals into despair and self-destruction. But when his irrational decision to steal and maintain and struck and speed aimlessly down the highway ends in a horrific accident, and months of both physical and emotional convalescence, Kit is forced to examine his perceptions of his life and his version of reality. Well, okay. The Essence of Nathan Biddle by J. William Lewis. That's a bit much, ain't it? Alrighty, the next one is Phantom Money by S. Alexander O'Keefe. It's a crime thriller. Oh. The trial of a lifetime is about to begin. Declan Collins, the brilliant criminal defense lawyer at the center of A Phantom Money, is the author of a screenplay woven around an ingenious money laundering scheme. The script is nothing more than an artistic dalliance until Matt Esposito, Collins' best friend, gives it to Blackpool Studios, an obscure film company with an outsized acquisition budget. A week later, Collins and Esposito are on a private jet to Mexico. They are supposed to be meeting with an investor who is interested in making the screenplay into a movie. In fact, the meeting is with Ramon Cayante, the head of a powerful Mexican drug cartel. Collins and Esposito are about to enter a world of intrigue, violence, and mortal danger. To survive, they will need to secretly launder a mountain of money in an impossibly short time. deceive an FBI strike team, and outwit a drug lord whose minions are watching their every move. Oh boy, this is indeed a crime thriller. Right up my alley. Alrighty, those are all the books that came in my fresh fiction not to miss box, and this came for in the ending of April, so this was, I guess, the May box. Alrighty, I'll put the link down in the bottom, so if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and check this book out. These, they don't really do YA books. These is romance, thrillers, fantasy, all with an adult theme. Alrighty, so that's the fresh fiction not to miss box, and thank you for watching my video. Be well, be blessed, and I'll see you next time.